Hi, I'm Dr. M. Kamakshaya, open source software evangelist and also a full stack developer. For the past few video demonstrations, I've been explaining how to set up a local area network using Ubuntu 18.04, and I explained how to make interconnections between two nodes, two different machines, and also demonstrated how to use SSH to copy files to and from the computers. In this video cast, I'm going to explain you how to install Hadoop inside the virtual machine, and henceforth we'll be using the replica of the same machine to work with Hadoop. Since the objective of this video cast is to demonstrate how to make use of Hadoop to fuller extent, so whatever I have been discussing till now from the past few videos is just to create an environment for Hadoop. Okay, now the very first step to do while installing Hadoop is to download Hadoop. For that, you need to go to Apache Hadoop download, and then the very first page should be the. Now go to the binaries, and this is the October 3.1.3 October version. Must be the. I want to go for 3 instead of 2 because I already did the experiments with 2. This time I would like to do press on binary, and then it will redirect you to the mirror, and this is the mirror. Just doesn't matter whatever the mirror that it is. You just have to save the file. I think it will go to the downloads, and it is not going to take much time. I have very fast internet connection, and I'll pause the video for some time and then come back after downloads. So it is still getting downloaded, and meanwhile we'll try to do one small activity. That is, Hadoop needs quite a few software applications. We call them as prerequisites. And what are the prerequisites and how to install them? We'll deal with that. I already opened my terminal, but it's still taking time. That's why, yeah, terminal is going to start now. Come on. Yes. Now Hadoop needs few prerequisites. I think it is better to open gedit, and I'll try to write there the different prerequisites that we require to. The first one is auto config, and next one auto make, and lib tool, and then cmake, then gcc dash cpp c double plus, and then zlib dot development, and then OpenSSL. We install devel. I think this should not be. This should be dash, not the. We already installed SSH. Now this time we are going to install Snappy for third-party installation. These are some of the. I'm going to save. I don't need to save this now. What I do, I just make into a single line so that it is easy for me to. We don't need comma. This is not required, and my system is well connected to internet, so you have to ensure that your system is connected to internet. Something like this. Okay, now Control C, go back to the terminal, sudo apt get install, then Control Shift V, and then press enter. I am giving my password. Unable to locate. Okay, I think I sudo apt get update, because I did not update my system after I set up in virtual machine. Sudo apt get upgrade. Yes, there are updates now, and we have to finish all these updates before we install prerequisites. It's going on now. my system is installing the updates. So soon after we finish this step, we'll be able to go back and make sure that we'll set up all the requirements well before we start using Hadoop. Yeah. Now let me use the upper arrow. I think I should be having this in the thing. That was not okay. Couldn't find the package gcc-c double plus. Yeah. So that is a mistake I found out here. C plus plus. C plus plus and well. Now what happened? C plus plus. Okay, let me see, delete this and write again, because there is a problem in whatever you type in gcc c plus plus is not there. gcc c plus plus. Okay, let me delete that. jedlib.devel openssl devel. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me go by each one. Auto config, auto make, I think I don't have any problem. libtool is also not showing me any problem, and then cmake not showing any problem. gcc, okay, let's see till here. Yes, it is going on. Now gcc-c. Meanwhile, let us go back to our browser and let's see where is this gcc, how to install gcc-c++ in Ubuntu. C++ unit testing. This is C++ in lives. GCC G++. How to install G++? Not C++ compiler. I think that is the problem with. Come on. GCC compiler. I think GCC is sufficient for. Why they are not getting open? Install GCC. The following Linux command will install this. Let's go for here. Oh, come on. I don't know why these pages are not getting. It is good whenever you have a problem. It is good to have the problem because we learn everything by solving the problems. Now I found out one blog where it is written like this. We don't have the C++, it is actually G++. Sudo apt install G++, and there are two ways to install. The first way is sudo apt install G++. The second way is build essential. It is, I think, in my opinion, it is better to go for the build essential because we use this build essential several times while installing the other packages. So I do this. Go back to terminal, and then let me this time make install G++. This is one way, or build build, and then press tab button. Should be able to 2 times, I think. Do you have build? Yeah, you have build dash essential. Now let's see if I can. Yeah, it is going on. Now you see here G++ build. When I executed the statement, it shows me C++, G++, something like this, GCC and all. So that's the best way. So instead of using installing GCC, G++, it's better to go for build essential, which will download everything for us. That is one very important thing which I learned. And the next one is going to be zlib devel package. So let's figure out if I have that inside cache in terminal. Yeah, Now sudo apt-get install zlib. Yeah, it's showing me. Let's me zlib 1g zlib gst. So which one? Glib c. So glib, let me go back to my, now let me, I think we finished this Hadoop installation. Now how to install zlib dash devel. Yeah, zlib library in OpenStore. Let us go to the very first. So I've get install zlib. I think that is going to take care of everything. There are other few things. Reported unable to locate the package. The install zlib. How to install zlib in Ubuntu? Zlib. In Ubuntu, the zlib package is in zlib 1z, and then zlib 1z is dev. Okay, I think zlib 1z dev is going to take care of everything. Now sudo apt-get install zlib 1z. Oh, 1z, and then dev is going to install zlib libraries. Yes, it is going on. Where is this? Yeah, here, zlib 1z dev. Now let us go for OpenSSL. We already installed OpenSSH SSL dot dev. Is it possible for us to? Okay, SSL. Where is the dev? Dev is there. Dev is not there. OpenSSH is there. SSL is not there. Okay. OpenSSL is there. OpenSSL 1. Okay, let's go for OpenSSL 1.0. Anyway, I just want OpenSSL. Doesn't matter. It is a client server or devel. Devel should be able to get both server and client. Now we'll go for Snappy. This is going to be the last one. Snappy. No, not this Snappy. Snappy. No, it is not. I think Snappy is not there. It seems. SNAP snap. Okay, now I have to go back to the browser. Let me pick up any blog for how to install Snappy Devel. I think now everything changes. Snappy Devel, something like this. CentOS now in Ubuntu. Snappy package. Okay, this is just Snappy now. I think long back I did all these things. Things changed now. I practiced Hadoop in 2 by 3. Everything changed. No, this one is not this one. No, this one is Snappy package. Ask Ubuntu. Okay, let me press here. It is not opening because there are. Oh, come on. What happened? Snappy Devel. Dev or Devel? Devel. Something went wrong with my browser. Come on. Oh, my browser is not opening, not listening to my request because restart is required. I'm going to restart my browser. Now anyway, so we can just go for, I think, is there anything called Snappy? Snappy is not there in the list. I think my Ubuntu is in cache. Snappy is not there. Let me, come on. It asks for updates. Install updates, better to install updates. Come on, where is the browser? Software updater is going on. So we need to do multiple things when we are in. Okay. Now how to install snappy devel. Okay, now yes, it's going on in Ubuntu. Don't know what is happening with my system. Oh no. This is the problem when we want to do many things within. So installing Hadoop is not a joke actually. It is a very big libsnappy.dev Ubuntu package. Okay, so that is what is the name today. Earlier it was snappy-devel. Come on. Okay, sudo apt-get voice libsnappy snappy-dev. So I think this is what I should do. Restore later. Now go back to, where is the terminal? Oh my god. Yeah. So lib snappy. Yeah, snappy. Come on. -dev. Yes. Now it is going on. So with this we are going to end our okay, fine. Exit. Now go back to the folder where we downloaded the, I think it should be there in the downloads. Go to downloads. Yes, I have. Now I have to create a folder to extract these files, and then we configure Hadoop in the machine. That is what all we need to do in order to install. Now what I do, I am going to, okay, I'll show you that in terminal because that's a better way. Open the terminal. What is my present working directory? I'm in home. I'm not interested to install Hadoop in home, so let me go to okay, sudo, no, cd root, okay, ls. Now let me go to user. Where is the user? Where is user? cd user, and then I have quite a few files here. Now what I do, I'm going to create a directory, sudo make dir Hadoop. Now Ubuntu is going to create the ls. I have Hadoop here, cd Hadoop. Yes, it is empty. Now I'm going to sudo tar xvf is also works. Now what I need to do, go to home, in home Ubuntu user, downloads, and then I should be having Hadoop. Where? Here. So I'll do this step. What I'm trying to do, I'm telling Ubuntu to extract Hadoop into the present directory. Where are we now? We are in user Hadoop. Okay, now it should be able to extract the files. Not found. Okay, okay, so let me do this way. cd home or present working directory. I'm in home. Now cd downloads, and now I have tar. Now sudo tar xvf, which means extract Hadoop. Okay, now user, come on, what happened? My system is not as fast as me. Come on, something went wrong. Okay, no, it is not responding. The terminal is not responding. Okay, let's wait for a little more time. Come on. Yeah, user. Okay, let me delete and come on. Terminal is not responding. Okay. I don't know, sometimes this is going to sudo. Okay, let me clear first this nonsense. Sudo thor xzvf and then hadoop and then into user. Again it stopped. Now when I'm pressing tab button, it is getting stopped. Should work. Yeah. Okay. Now user. Now hadoop. Do I have taking time? Let's wait. It's going to return error, I'm sure, because it's not going as yeah, it's exiting the failure status due to previous error. Okay, fine. Now this time not found in archives. No, who wanted to know? Oh, Thor is not installed, I guess. No, we don't need to install Thor. Okay, sudo apt. Okay, let's see. You must specify delete Thor options. Thor xzvf hadoop, then user. Why it is not going on? My tab button is not working. I don't know. Okay. Okay, let me do it here. There's nothing wrong. That is only the option. So extracting in the same folder where we are in downloads. So I'm extracting. Later I'll move that. That is also okay. I don't know, ls. Now you see we got the folder. Now let me take back you to, so this is, we got the folder. Inside this we got Hadoop files. Now let's sudo move Hadoop, whatever is there inside, into user. Yeah, now it is working. So thar is not working. Okay, now okay, ls cd hadoop. We should not have anything. This should be the empty folder because we moved everything from here to the other. Now we can simply delete this, and now let's go to root, ls cd user hadoop. Now you see we got everything. Now things starts. So what is the Hadoop directory? This is what is the path of the Hadoop. And I'm not going to, there are many ways to install Hadoop, but I'm just going to use very minimum installation method, in which what happens is that we just have to tell Ubuntu where Hadoop is, and Java, to Hadoop we should tell where the Java is. By the way, did I install Java? No. So sudo apt install openjdk and then 8. This is going to be openjdk default JRE, and JDK is okay. I think openjdk is, I think I should be able to do. Okay, let me go to the browser and see how to install open sudo apt-get sudo apt how to install open jdk in ubuntu. Install this jdk 8jdk, but that is not there. What should I do? Sudo apt-get install open jdk. Okay, shall we go to the software center? And oh, it want me to restart. That is okay. Let me restart. Let's shall we go for it is just open okay, let me go for okay, let me restart this system. We empty trash because the memory is a restart. Because we did few updates, and it's always better to restart the system so that we listen, so that the Ubuntu listen appropriately for every task that we performing inside. Let me go to the software center and search for OpenJDK. So this is another way we can just do, and open JDK. Let's see. Otherwise I'll just go back to the terminal and try to do. Come on, taking too much time. Okay, it's still going on for unknown reasons, so let me go to the terminal. So I don't like to waste my time. Even terminal takes time to, so that is how things happens in virtual machine. Anyway, I'm just creating these video casts only for learning aspects, and doesn't matter if you're, but in real-time environment we will not be facing these type of problems because we'll be having dedicated machines, and Ubuntu, there is always a possibility to set up Ubuntu appropriately in the system. I don't know, it is still, oh my god. Okay, sudo apt install open jdk. Now let me press 2 times. Now you see we got everything. Earlier it was not there. So that is the advantages, because we updated, so it was not showing the these are all not cached into the system. Open 8 JDK. Okay, now press enter. You need to give, that is advantage of restarting the system. So whenever we update, it is always better to make a point of restarting the system so that all the updates will get into the cache of the apt in Ubuntu, so that everything will be available for our installation. Now I'm going to pause the video because it is going to take obviously quite a little time. Now it is setting up Java JDK, and soon after we finish this task we'll be installing OpenJDK runtime environment. That is going to be this time. Come on, I don't know, I'm fed up with this. Okay, J or E. Yes. So let us finish better. Safe side will have both runtime environment and install, and is no longer required. To remove already okay, it is already installed. Sudo system is telling us to make one more update attempt auto remove, because there's a few of them. It is suggesting that there are few left unnecessarily in the system, so it is better to auto remove kind of thing. Now again after installing Java, and now you press Java version come on, I'm getting fed up with this machine. Yeah, you see here Java is installed appropriately. Now I'll restart my system, and then we'll start we'll proceed with the Hadoop installation. Okay, now okay, now we came back to, now let's go to, we need to detect where is Java. So for that you have command sudo update alternatives, update alternatives, then config Java. This will let you know where is your Java is. Now yes, this is the path of Java. We need to copy this and better go to somewhere. I'll go to my documents, and there I create a gedit file, gedit, then java path.txt, because I may not be able to remember the path. Now copy this, come back, now close this, control save. Okay, now close everything, this terminal. Now we are going for real installation of Hadoop. Since we have Hadoop here, first step in installing Hadoop is to go to bash rc file, and then go open your Firefox. We need to add few lines in bash rc, which takes care of the system-wide configuration, how to install Hadoop in Ubuntu. Okay, now I think the very first thing can be, okay, let me so here somewhere you will find that configuration in bash, the configuration which you need to, the lines which you see. This is all we had. Update alternate display, we have done configure. Can also do that two-way. Yeah, sudo update alternatives is display Java. Yeah, that's a nice thing. Instead of, okay, that is a good. Okay, now go back, and then these are all we finished. And then this we did not do, because this is of course very important activity, because this will prevent us to use password, because when we install Hadoop, it is going to make use of local server, and whenever it attempts to open a daemon, it will prompt for a password. We need to make the system passwordless SSH, so that each time Hadoop use SSH command for inside tasks, it would prompt for a password. If you don't want to do that, you need to do this activity. So I'm just going to copy, go back to your terminal, write sudo Control Shift V RSA. I think we also need -p. Okay, now it is going to create a pair of I think we already did this. Yeah, we have done this earlier whenever I am so now what I need to do, if I had done this earlier, I need to use sudo ssh local host. I should be able to, yes, password, and then it permission denied, please try again. Oh, this is not working. I don't know. Deny public key and password. But we had done. Okay, anyway, so let me skip this and go to SSH localhost. It should be able to do. Yeah, this way it should be able to do. I think I should not use sudo. Let me try with SSH localhost. Yeah, localhost is still yes. 1 2 go. Yes, so we should not use sudo. Even last time when I was using sudo to connect to other computers, the same problem happened. Now we are successfully connected to localhost, and now the installation and configuration of Hadoop starts. But this is enough for this video. I'm going to show you how to do that in my next video. Bye bye for now, and please don't forget to press like button, subscribe to my video channel for new content. Stay tuned.